Hi Filmora creators, welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. I have created this anime music video in the Filmora 14. There is this Auto Beat Sync AI tool available in the Filmora editor, with which the base music video with your favorite anime characters can be made in seconds. After importing the anime media, a default background music is there for you, which you may change to the appropriate music for the AMV. Sounds great. Next, beat cut speed can be set to faster or slower. Analyze. Analyze again. Now, add some effects like RGB, glow, and blur effects. Let's ignore the video wall effect for today's video. Export to timeline. The effects are auto-applied, matching the music beat drops. You can detect the beats in the music, which can help you trim the clips further if needed. The transitions still happen, matching the beats in the music. Next, we will apply some effects on anime theme. Just search for anime. To apply this speed trail effect, just drag and drop to the clip. Now, with the help of keyframe animation, we will create the movement animation. This is how create the perfect AMV. There are many more anime effects you may try in your video. We will now add some stickers into the AMV. Let's search for blast stickers. We will place it on the hand and resize as needed. Let's go back to effects. There are some audio-driven effects, which can add shake, zoom, or blur effects, matching the beats of the music. I want to show you another video effect, starbursts, which looks very beautiful. There are more body effects available, like strokes, neon lights. It detects the portraits in the video and adds neon rings, or even laser eyes. Stroke effects add strokes to the portrait figures. These effects make the ultimate AMVs. Lightning effects are also so awesome. With the help of Filmora 14 resources, you can make anime music videos very efficiently. Try it today. Happy creating!